subscribers. Thank you for 7 subscribers. Just saying. Thanks. Man, I've been on YouTube for quite some time, but I never know I can make it to 7 subscribers. 7 subscribers. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna freak out. 7 subscribers! Thanks for 7 subscribers. Now, only if I can get to 100, I'm on my way for a play button. So, put on the comments below, hashtag, help me get a play button. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really need those subscriptions. Now, keep supporting me and keep subscribing. Pirate Clown out.